Everyone, in this video I am going to explain some previous questions from JEE Mains, NEET and TS APE set. So in that first question which was asked in 2024 January 27 shift 1, write IUPAC name of this molecule. So I will not give options, just questions. I will explain only questions. So how do you write IUPAC nomenclature? So based on 1, 1, 3. So if you give number like this 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 on first carbon substituent, third carbon substituent. If you number give like 1, 2, 3, more number of carbon atom. See this first carbon substituent, third carbon substituent. On first point this is 1, 1 cancel, so 1, so red correct. So give IUPAC with in this way. So what are substituents? Methyl. So methyl 2 times. Dimethyl. This is important example. Dimethyl 2, 2, 1, 1 dimethyl, 1, 1 dimethyl. And what is another substituent? 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. Numbering like this, and which one you have to comes first? You have to write first. So this is D, but do not consider D. Di, tri, tetra, penta, and tertiary, secondary will not be considered. Only iso and cyclo are considerable in alphabetical order. Iso and cyclo are considerable. Secondary, tertiary, di, tri, tetra are not considerable. Di not considerable. So leave about di. Then what we have to consider? Methyl onwards. Methyl and ethyl. Which one comes first? Ethyl. Ethyl beginning with E. E comes first in alphabet. This is methyl. So you have to write first ethyl. Okay. Ethyl which position? Third position. So 3-ethyl. So do not compare with D. D is not considerable. Only iso and cyclo are considerable. Di, tri, tetra, etc. and secondary, tertiary, neo are not considerable. Okay. Right. So what is IUPAC name? Finally I am writing IUPAC name is 3-ethyl 1, 1 dimethyl. Methyl group appear 2 times. So 1, 1 dimethyl. Cyclo. All this is the secondary prefix. Cyclo is primary prefix. Hex is root word. Ane is primary suffix. So in this way we write IUPAC name of the molecule. Okay, so 3-ethyl 1, 1 dimethyl cyclohexane is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next question. We have to write bond line formula for this molecule. This is condensed formula. We have to write bond line formula. So in question they were asked identify bond line formula of this molecule. So but I am not giving option, directly I am writing bond line formula, directly answer. So for this answer is OH, hydrogen atom attached to hetero atom we have to write, then CH we need not to write, and here cyanide and here cyanide. Okay, in this way we write bond line formula of this molecule. CH, CN taken 2 times and OH. Okay. Next question. Write IUPAC name of this molecule which was asked in 2024 January 29 shift 2. JEE Mains questions. All these are JEE Main questions. How do you write IUPAC nomenclature? First functional group carbon always 1. This is 2. This is 3. Because you know functional group is most more priority compared to double bond or triple bond. Functional group give first priority to functional group. Okay, and double bond and triple bonds are most priority compared to substituent. substituent. So follow this order. In that way, what is IUPAC nomenclature? IUPAC first primary prefix cyclo, root word hex, primary suffix 2-ene, and secondary suffix is ol. Secondary suffix is ol, 1 ol. On first position ol. Cyclohex 2-ene 1 ol is IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay. Next question, which was asked in 2024 January 29th, shift to JEE mains question. So what is question? Total number of sigma pi bonds in 2-formyl hexenoic acid. So structure, they will not give structure, only name they will give name, and options they will give options. So that means you have to write structure of 2-formyl hex 4-enoic acid first. How do we write IUPAC structure? Hex, root word hex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms, hex, 4-ene. So if I consider from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-ene, 2-formyl, second position formyl. Formyl means CHO functional group. 2-formyl enoic acid, 4-enoic acid. 2-formyl 4-ene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-enoic acid, oic acid. That means first carbon is COOH. So 2-formyl hex 4-enoic acid, numbering like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many sigma and pi bonds are present? Here only one bond means remaining 3 are what? Hydrogen. Here only 3 bonds means 1 hydrogen. Here 3 bonds means 1 hydrogen. Here only 2 bonds means 2 more hydrogen. Here 3 bonds means 1 hydrogen. Here between O and H 1 sigma bond is there. Here CHO, in CHO group is like this. Then count number of sigma bond. So you know, in one bond that is sigma, in double bond 1 sigma 1 pi, in a triple bond 1 sigma 2 pi. Okay, so count number of sigma bonds first. Number of sigma bonds are, I am giving with blue. Number of sigma bonds, here 1 minute. Sigma bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many sigma bonds? 19 sigma bonds. Sigma bonds are 19. Pi bonds. In a double bond, only 1 pi bond. This is 1. And where double bond? This is 2. And here double bond 3. How many? 3 pi bonds. 3 pi bond. Total number of sigma and pi bonds means 3 plus 19. That is, total number of bonds is how many? 22 bonds are present. So 22. Option 22 is correct. Okay. This question was asked in 30th January 2024, shift 1 JEE mains question. Correct structure of 4-methyl pent-2-enol. We have to identify correct structure in the options given below. I am not giving options, directly I will write structure. So select root word here. Root word is pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus place all single bonds between 5 carbon atom. 2-ene. So I am considering like this. So this is first carbon. So 2-ene means it here double bond. Next, pent-2-ene, all means what? Aldehyde. And fourth position methyl. This is fourth position methyl. 4-methyl pent-2-ene all. So correct structure. So here CH3, here 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen, and only 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen, 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen. This is the correct structure of that molecule. Identify like this. Okay. Next question, which was asked on 30th January 2024, shift to JEE mains question. Write IUPAC nomenclature of this molecule. So always functional group cyanide most priority than amino. So priority order, priority in selection of principal functional group, cyano most priority than amine group. So then this will become principal functional group, and this will become substituent. So what is functional group? Cyano. So numbering from 1, functional group 3, 4. What is the IUPAC name? Bute. Root word is bute. Bute. Between 4 carbon atom, single bond. So ane. CN functional group, secondary suffix is nitrile. Butane nitrile. And at third position, amino. 3 amino butane nitrile is the IUPAC name. So write like this: 3 amino butane nitrile. 3 amino butane nitrile is IUPAC name of the molecule. Okay. Next, right, see here. Write the structure of 2,3 dibromo 1-phenyl pentane. So what is root word pent? Write number of carbon atom: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom. 5 carbon atom, and ane, all are single bond. On first position, phenyl. This is phenyl, and 2-3 positions bromo. At this position bromo, and this position also bromo. 2,3 dibromo 1-phenyl pentane. So here 2 bonds are there, remaining 2 hydrogen. 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen. 3 bonds are there, 1 hydrogen. 2 bonds, 1 hydrogen. Only 1 bond, so 3 hydrogen. Okay. This is the IUPAC name of the molecule. Okay. Structure of the molecule. Next question, which was asked on 4th April 2024, shift to JEE mains question. Count number of sigma and total number of sigma and pi bonds in this molecule. 2-oxo, hex, 4-ine, inoic acid. So they will not give structure. We have to write structure and count sigma and pi bond. Hex means how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom. 6 carbon atom. 4-ine. If I give number in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth position, we have to keep triple bond. 4-ine. And 2-oxo. Second position, keto. Oxo. And oic acid. Oic acid means COOH functional group. Okay. Next, 2-oxo. Okay. 4-ine oic acid. Now satisfy valency here. Hydrogen valency 1 okay. Oxygen valency 2 okay. Carbon valency 4 okay. Oxygen 4, 2 okay. For carbon 4 okay. Oxygen 2 okay. For here carbon only 2 bonds. So 2 hydrogen. Here for carbon 4 bonds okay. For carbon 4 bonds okay. For this carbon only 1 bond means remaining 3 are what? Hydrogen. Now count number of sigma bonds here. Sigma bonds are sigma bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sigma bonds are 14. Count all bonds first. Sigma bond. Next, pi bonds. Number of pi bonds are here 2 pi bonds. In a double bond, 2 pi bond. Here 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond. Here 1 pi bond. 1 pi bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of pi bonds are 4. Total become 18. Total number of sigma and pi bonds are 18 here. Okay. Right. Next. Next question, which was asked on 8th April 2024, shift to JEE mains question. In the given organic molecule, so organic molecule is not written. Organic molecule is like this. So this is the question given and asked to calculate number of secondary carbon. So what are secondary carbon? Whenever a carbon directly attached with two other carbons, that is secondary. If a carbon directly attached with one carbon, that is primary. If a carbon do not attached with any other carbon, that is super primary. If a carbon attached with two other carbon, secondary. If a carbon attached with three other carbon, tertiary. If a carbon directly attached with four other carbon, that is said to be quaternary carbon. So here this is what, this carbon only directly attached with this one, so this is what, primary. Next, this carbon, how do we write? So complete structural formula, this one you have to take up. So like this, CH3 and CCH3 in the whatever present in the bracket you have to take up. Then this is what, this is what. So remaining is same, remaining you have to write in complete structural formula so that you can understand easily. So this is what, primary. This carbon directly attached with three others, secondary. This carbon directly attached with two, so secondary. This carbon directly attached, direct attachment with only two, secondary. This carbon directly attached with three, tertiary. This carbon directly attached with three, tertiary. This carbon directly attached with two, secondary. This carbon only directly attached with only one. How many? Secondary, 1, 2, 3. 3 secondary, only 3. And what about this one? This is directly attached with only one carbon, primary. So 1, 2, 3. So that what is answer? Number of carbon atoms directly attached with secondary carbon atoms in the molecule is 3. Okay. Next question. Write IUPAC name of this molecule. This question was asked 8th April 2024, shift to JEE mains. So how do we write IUPAC name? In this way we are giving numbering. So in this way, second carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on first point difference. Okay. So on second carbon, on fifth carbon, on sixth carbon, substituents. If you give number from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on which carbon? Third carbon and fourth carbon and seventh carbon. Third carbon, fourth carbon, seventh carbon. This total become 14, but here total become 7, 13. 13. So first take this one, not total. This is not considerable. This one considerable. First point of difference, 2 is correct. So this numbering will be correct here. Okay. So I am giving number like this. Which position? Second, fifth, sixth. Trimethyl octane is IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay. 2, 5, 6 trimethyl octane is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next question. Asked in 8th April 2024, shift 1. In this question asked like this: which one of the following statement is correct? So they give right name, wrong name, we have to verify. So I am giving IUPAC name of this one. So nitro substituent, halo substituent, when all are substituents, then how do we write IUPAC name? First numbering on first point difference rule, 1, 2, 3, 4. So substituents are 2, 4 dinitro. Di not considerable, nitro, N, and this is chloro, C comes first. So What is the IUPAC name? 1-chloro and 2,4 dinitro, 2,4 dinitro benzene. Here what is benzene? Benzene is base name. Take benzene base name into consideration. 1-chloro 2,4 dinitro benzene. For this molecule there is one base name. This is aniline. Aminobenzene is aniline. Take that base name. So and number 1. This is number 1. Always number 1. In aniline base name 1, 2, 3, 4 like this only. So second position methyl, fourth position ethyl. In alphabet E comes first. So 4-ethyl, 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, aniline. Take aniline base name. So this is IUPAC name of the molecule. In this way we write IUPAC nomenclature. So these are JEE mains questions which was asked in 2024 year. Okay. Next these 3 are NEET questions, 1 APE set question from IUPAC nomenclature and basics. Okay. First, how do we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So if you give number from right to left to functional group getting lowest possible number. Leave about substituent. You have to give priority for functional group. In this way, functional group getting lowest possible number. First position bromo, and this is methyl, this is chloro. Which one comes first in alphabet? Bromo. So 1 bromo, and at 5th position chloro, 5 chloro, and at 4th position methyl. We have to write substituents in alphabetical order. Total 6 carbon atoms. So hexane. At 3rd position OH group, ol. 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 4 methyl, hexane, 3 ol is IUPAC name of this molecule. Next come to here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way double bond getting lowest possible number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Such a simple question they asked. In JEE mains NEET very simple question. In MSET some complex questions they will ask. So here substituent at 2nd and 6th position 2,6 dimethyl. 2,6 dimethyl. Total number of carbon atoms are 10. So dec 4-ene. 2,6 dimethyl dec 4-ene is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next come here. So here functional group aldo keto. Between aldo keto which one is most priority? Aldo most priority. So 1, 2. Functional group carbon is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this numbering. Okay. So here this is substituent. When aldo keto both are present, aldo is dominated over keto. Functional group selection. Aldo dominated over principal functional group selection. Aldo dominated over keto. So we will write like this. At 3rd position oxo, 3 oxo. Total number of carbon atoms are 5. So pent. 4th position double bond. So 4-ene. CHO functional group is present. So all. 4-ene all. 3 oxo pent. 3 oxo pent. 4-ene. Due to presence of CHO group we added secondary suffix all. 4-ene is the primary suffix. All is secondary suffix. Last question. This is APE set question asked on 2023 shift 2. I think year 13th May. 13th May shift 2. 13th May shift 2 question. Okay. Right. So how do we write IUPAC? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here 3rd position methyl, here 3rd position ethyl. Both are same. Both are substituent. When both substituents with equal possibility, then alphabetical order E. So ethyl comes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 3rd position what? 3rd position ethyl, 3 ethyl, and 4th position methyl. 4th position methyl. 3 ethyl, 1, 2 carbon atoms here. So ethyl. At fourth position, methyl, only one carbon atom. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, total 6 carbon atom and a single bond between them is hexane. 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, hexane is IUPAC name of this molecule. Hope you understood well. These all are questions which were asked in 2024 or previous 2024 mains and some previous question JEE mains, NEET and MSET. Thank you.